Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nasdaq with Arshia. Today we're going to be talking about the new Coinbase, Voyager Ltd. Before we begin, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own due diligence and research before taking part in any investment scheme. Let's get into it. So I will share my screen with you guys. Today I have some Google Notes to go over with you guys. I've written them on Google Docs and I hope you enjoy them and find them helpful. But first, let's look at their chart. So today, being a Saturday, the markets are closed. So it hasn't been up. The price target, not the price target, the current stock price has not been updated since April 1st. So today being a Saturday. But before we go on, I want to just clarify the elephant in the room here that on December 7th, it was $1.69, and on April 1st, 2021, it was $27.39, which is just insane, guys. Over 5 months, this is just like crazy. Like, I've never really seen that much of explosive growth lately. And let's look into what Voyager exactly is. So, Voyager has a platform that lets users access an institutional grade offering that leverages the crypto trading technology behind the Voyager retail app. Voyager Institutional brings deeper liquidity, broader market access, and more effective trading to financial institutions and technology businesses. So basically, it's the Robinhood for crypto, and it's a publicly traded company, meaning it's the first publicly traded company for crypto brokerage. It's a turnkey partner for trading and market access. It lets users trade across multiple exchanges and OTC liquidity providers through a single account or wallet. Voyager unifies the largely fragmented crypto ecosystem, offering investors unmatched speed, liquidity, and security. Voyager Institutional is owned and operated by Voyager Digital Brokerage Ltd, a broker that provides institutional investors with a turnkey solution to trade crypto assets. Also, let's look at this. So the Voyager difference, they call it, on their website. I just took a screenshot of this and uploaded it because I thought it'd be easier. So number one, it's easy to use mobile and desktop application. Number two, they let you earn interest up to 10% APR. They have 50 plus crypto assets and stablecoins. They have interest on over 20 coins. They have faster execution and deeper liquidity. And they have an amazing community and customer service, which is great because with most brokerage apps like Robinhood and with Coinbase and blockchain, they really don't have that great of customer service, but this is actually quite nice. And if we look here, Voyager is built to scale and sells in both up and down markets. Also, when markets are flat, Voyager still makes revenue due to interest model. And what I mean by interest model is that they let you have interest on over 20 coins, and their other interest services like earn interest up to 10%. They also make money off of that. And if we look at their AUM, and AUM stands for Assets Under Management. Assets Under Management, AUM, is the total market value of the investments that a person or entity manages on behalf of clients. Assets under management definitions and formulas vary by company. In the calculation of AUM, some financial institutions include bank deposits, mutual funds, and cash in their calculations. Just a little side note and some general knowledge. But this is going to be important in a second because their target was a path to 50 billion AUM. Previously, it was 20 billion AUM, but due to the increased adaptiveness and exact words I have written here, due to the rapid adoption of its platform As a result of their interest offerings, the target of 20 billion in 2025 has increased to 50 billion AUM in 2023 instead. And that's really exciting. That means they're actually getting things done and they're actually growing really, really fast. As you can see here, their average account size times their funded accounts predictions will lead them to get $50 billion according to their website. But roughly 10% of AUM falls to the bottom line, and 5 billion in bottom line means that this stock is massively undervalued at the current rate. And if we look at the metrics for Feb 28th, 2021 were unbelievable, and I feel this month's numbers could be even better. These are the metrics. $14 million per day of net deposits, average speed revenue of 90 basis points per trade, principal value traded 1 to 1.5 times per month than the regular, and $40 per account acquisition, monthly revenue of $100 per account, the user growth of 35% month over month, which is impressive. If we scroll back up, we will see that Q2 metrics. If we scroll back down, because I have put the Q2 metrics right here. They already have preliminary revenue in February 2021 of $20 million. They had announced that. But in January 2021, they had $8.6 million of preliminary revenue. And that is a 1.33% increase. And that is just insane. It's been growing exponentially ever since December 2020, and it's just crazy. And looking at the success of this company, looking at their timeline, there's no doubt that I feel they will achieve this 50 billion AUM path. But the interesting question, the company offers 0 commissions and more coins than its competitors, but how do they make money if they charge no commission? Well, here's a very good explanation. They use smart order routing. When you place an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency, Voyager provides a listed price that you accept. It then connects your order to 12 exchanges. Unlike securities, stocks, bonds, ETFs, which by law must have the same price across all domestic exchanges, the same coin can be listed at 2 different prices at the exact same time, which is crazy. Voyager uses your order to capitalize on the inefficiency by performing an arbitrage across various exchanges. So their computer basically looks on all the exchanges, what are they doing, and the profits from such a move would typically surpass any commission or fee, allowing Voyager to provide exceptional pricing. Voyager will thus share the profits from this arbitrage with you in an attempt to execute your order at a lower price than you agreed to. This business model will likely remain profitable until regulations change or there's too much competition in the arbitrage. Change to the process would appear in the margins right away. We would know instantly if something's wrong. And let's see if we have any more. Well, turns out we do. Voyager Digital reports fiscal 2021 second quarter results and provides business update. And looking at these financials, I am sure that it will come to light that this is a great company, and I have obviously bullish vibes for it. For me, I think it's a great company. So Voyager is pleased to provide stakeholders with an update for the following key metrics for the month ended February 28th, 2021. Preliminary revenue from operations in excess of $20 million. We went before that. Net deposits for the month exceeded US $400 million. Assets under management exceeded US $1.7 billion. Trades per day for the month averaged more than 70,000. New funded accounts for February 2021 were in excess of 70,000, so more than that, with total funded accounts over 175,000 as of February 28th, 2021. Verified users on the platform were approximately 605K, at February 28th, 2021, the value of customer trades for February increased to US $1.6 billion, which is huge. And with their current growth rate and their past experience, I'm sure they will achieve their targets. And this right now looks like a great company. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.